Good morning. Are we hungry? Are we hungry? You're getting lots of feathers under your tongue and on your wings and on your head. Yeah. Shall we have some food? Shall we have some food? It's very yummy. He's on the big boy food now. He's on the stuff with the seeds. And he's always hungry. Always hungry. What a good boy. He's a good boy. He's sending beaky kisses to everyone. He's very cuddly. And kind of controls everything at the moment. Don't we? Yes, we do. Okay. And then we'll be back a bit later to see how much you weigh. Yeah. You're going to say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.